friends, how are you? Today I am telling you how to create folder with color. So you can easily change folder color just like pink, red and violet. So I am making a folder, a new folder, and just press over here, right click in this folder and change folder icon, just like that green I am pressing. So and after that I am changing the rename and write down green. So you can easily create a folder and change the color. It will reflect your work, because suppose you are having important data, so you can create a color folder just like a green, and you are mentioning another folder over here, folder, and folder name is yellow already is here, so we are just getting violet. Okay, and then right click and change folder icon, and which one is violet. Now you can see that a violet color folder created on the document. So how can we change the color, which folder, any folder, any type? Now again I am creating a folder, and right click and change folder icon, gray, black, brown, lemon, red, green, blue, orange, and more icons over here. So I am just creating gray. So now you can see that our folder already created gray. So how can you create and how can you change this color? You know that how can we create folder? Just right click, go to new, and then create a folder. But if you try in your computer without my information, you are not able to change. So first you right click, change folder icon, color. Suppose I am changing azure, like that color. So how can we change the color? So you have to go to a website, name is folderico.com, and download over here, and I will provide the link in description also, so you can easily download that software, and then after that you are able to change folder color. Thank you, have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, have a nice day.